Hi guys, so my name is Indu and behind the camera we have Sachin. So welcome to our channel. So today I am going to answer a few of the questions which were there in speaking part 1, IELTS speaking part 1. So Sachin would be asking questions to me and I would be answering them the way I would have answered during the exam, so it would help all of you guys. So before we get into the video, please like and share and subscribe to our channel so that we can share more knowledge about IELTS and other of our vlogs with you guys. So please subscribe to our channel. So shall we start?
Yes, I think you are ready, then we can start.
Yeah.
So okay, the first question is, do you have many friends?
I don't know, I have many friends, but yeah, approximately I have 10 of them. In college I used to have 15 to 20 of the friends, but as the time increased, the number of friends reduces, people get busy and everything. So, but when I include the Facebook friends, I can say I have a lot of friends.
Oh, great. Okay, how friendly are you with your neighbors?
I am not that much friendly with my neighbor. Actually, we stay in an apartment. So my neighborhood are quite a silent people. They do not mingle with a lot of people. But there are times that I have gone and invited them for one of the birthday party. And they have very nicely, they have come and given us gift and given us the blessings also.
Okay. Is your name common or unusual in your country?
My name actually is very uncommon in this country. I have never heard somebody saying my name is Indu. But in my whole lifetime till now, I have met only 2 people with my name actually.
Okay. In general, do you prefer eating out or eating at home?
I like to keep a balance. I prefer to, during the whole week from Monday to Friday, eat at home, balanced my diet, exercise, and during my weekends eat junk whatever I like to eat. So I try to keep like a 80 to 20% ratio while eating healthy and unhealthy food.
Do you like people taking photos of you?
Frankly speaking, when somebody asks me in initial days when I have not met the person that much, I do not like to get a photo clicked by them. However, there are times that there is an office event and somebody asks me that can I click a photo, and I'm like, okay, I can be part of this photo, then I would really allow that person to click my photo.
When do people give gifts or presents in your country?
In my country, they give gifts during birthdays, anniversaries, or any special moments.
Do you think it's important for people to play games?
Yes, I feel it's very important for people to play games, especially in this era, because we are so much driven with technology that we do not go out and play something and keep our body fit. So it's very important that everybody, not only kids, even adults, to go out and play and make themselves healthy and fit.
When do you think you will next make a telephone call?
I think I'll make the next telephone call after the examination. Actually here the answer is, because I'm in an examination center, as we are just thinking about it, so I will only talk in an examination scenario. So yeah, my answer could be that after this examination I would give a call to my family stating that how did my speaking IELTS exam went, what I did good and what I did bad, and if I have my other part of my exam, that is that reading, writing and listening part, and I would be completing that and coming home or something like that. Yeah, you need to answer it in that scenario, so I'm answering in that way. Yeah.
How easy would it be to learn to play an instrument without a teacher?
Before when internet had not come, there used to be tutors who used to give live classes to students. But now when it is technological driven and when there is internet, people can come, people can watch videos and learn a lot of musical instruments like keyboard, guitar or any other musical instrument.
Okay, so now we are end up with our questions. Do you want to say anything, Indu?
Yes, I really want to say it that here I had not, this is not an examination center. there are too many sounds in the background, and it's a very casual environment in where I was answering this questions. So but I tried, however, to answer all the questions. So to you have to make sure that you answer all the questions in that, whatever it has been asked. For example, it was asked about musical instrument, so in your answer you have to mention about musical instrument. Maybe you can give examples like how I gave guitar, keyboard, or anything. And there was this question about about your neighbor. So just generally think what relation you have with your neighbor. It's good, it's bad, it's an average, where you occasionally meet your neighbor, or you just there is a fight with your neighbor. There could be any scenario which you have it. So always during your speaking, talk about your personal thing. And I use that is okay, but to a limit. Don't try to exceed many fillers, like how I now also I was fumbling. Try to don't use much of the fillers, and otherwise all good. Keep confidence, because this is a very casual scenario and I answered it. When I was in examination also, I used a lot of fillers and I was little fumbling, I was forgetting things, I was seeing here and there sometimes, because you need to distract yourself from the eye contact of the examiner. So that's okay, that's perfectly all right. But you need to have a good pitch when you're speaking. You need to have confidence on what you're answering. So yeah, that's all about it. We would be surely coming up with more new videos on IELTS, and please do also watch our other vlogs as well. So yeah, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.